guys, it's another day, another run. So we're wearing purple today with this one. We're gonna promoting today and I'll video me. English. Matagtala. Day today na magkapoy-kapoy na po sa self pero need na to magkapoy-kapoy para sa direkto. Isa daw init na kayo kapoy-kapoy na magpait kung kasabot na magalasing ko yun ako pa magalasing ko pa dugay ko siya ako dugay ko na tulog na bakong tubig. Let's start guys. It's so hot. Punta dito mapakanog kuhan karon. Totoo, lampilig. Start. Hangak, kapoy, jogwalk. Ay. Woo! Walk lang. Okay. Walk.
Go.
Hi guys. So we're done for today's video guys. So, paulit namin guys. And my videographer is over there. So, I like this style. Mag-vlog tanan. I type videographer guys. So, hope you enjoy this video guys. Ang mga kapuwang na mo, ang mga bloopers na name. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
What?